this is a Procircle used to draw ready-made circles of different sizes. Here, for example, if I consider the protractor numbers are given, various numbers are given in terms of millimeter. For example, this is a circle of number written as 20. 20 stands for diameter. So if you trace this circle, you will get 20 mm diameter hole, or the circle shall be drawn. Okay. Similarly, for example, this is 17 is mentioned. Okay, 17 means 17 mm diameter hole shall be drawn using a circle shall be drawn using this Procircle. Okay, here the circles are dimensioned or printed in terms of diameter. Okay, also this is angles are given. For example, 90, 100. This is you can use this as a protractor also. Protractor for marking various angles. So for example, now I'm going to draw a hole of size of circle of size 20 mm. 20 mm means first you have to locate the center where the circle has to be dimensioned. For example, here I'm going to draw a circle with this center as reference. This will be the center point of the circle of diameter 20 mm. So using the drafter scale, using the longer scale of a drafter, draw a line passing through the center of your located point, and draw a vertical line passing through the located point. Okay, like plus mark. Now look onto this Procircle. Take 20 mm hole. The 20 mm hole will also have plus mark. You can see certain 4 marks are given. This is 1, this is second mark, this is third mark, and this is fourth mark on the circumference of this hole, outer hole. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 marks shall coincide with this drawn plus lines. So you adjust your Procircle like this. All the 4 markings must coincide, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that if you draw or trace this hole, you will get a circle of size 20 mm, and the center of the circle shall be with reference to this center. You will get an accurate circle. Or by using compass, you can draw a circle of radius. You have to take radius. Radius 10 mm means you will get a circle of diameter 20 mm. Okay, this is a way of using Procircle to draw circles of different sizes. In certain protractor, it is given in terms of radius also. Radius also. For example, you can see a protractor with, for example, this is template. This is engineering template. In certain Procircles, it is also given in terms of radius. This R stands for radius. Radius 7 means diameter will be 2 times of radius. Will be 14 mm circle shall be drawn using this part of the template, okay, or the Procircle. So then, how to, in similar manner, you can locate the center. So through the center, draw horizontal line and a vertical line. The vertical line and the horizontal line shall coincide with the 4 markings on the circumference of this hole, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if you trace the circle, you will get a circle. You can draw a circle of size radius 7 mm is diameter will be 14 mm circle shall be drawn. Similarly, this is of R6 is written, R6. This is R3. R stands for radius. Okay. Thanks for listening. Yes.